Good evening, ma'am. Good evening, sir.
Aayushi.
Good evening, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, please sit.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. So you are a probationer now.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Very good. Excellent.
Thank you, sir.
As electrical engineer, what were you studying basically?
Sir, in IIT Kanpur, we have electrical and electronics department combined in the
Okay.
undergraduate.
Hmm.
So, sir, we had mixed courses from both the streams, sir.
So what kind of you opted for what?
Sir, till third year, we had multiple courses. We had compulsory courses of both the streams. And from fourth year onwards, we could have departmental electives. So, I chose more from electronics side, sir.
Then you chose more from electronics.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, can you tell me what is, sovereign AI?
Sorry, sir, I have not exactly read upon it, but based upon the terminology sovereign AI, it could possibly mean the artificial intelligence developed by the state agencies for the use in the national interest and for the governmental state purposes, sir.
Okay, that's a fairly good guess. But it's of course much more than that. It is basically to create public infrastructure to enable those who want to work in developing AI-based applications to kind of. So, what would be if somebody is wanting to develop this kind of infrastructure? What would be the basic requirement of that?
Sir, the
So
technical.
you want to, what you want to develop an infrastructure to enable app developers to develop AI-based apps.
Okay,
You know,
sir.
you have seen Perplexity. Have you seen?
No, sir.
So this is an app which is based on AI.
Okay,
Like that, there are some apps. So what would be there? Because the big cost is to be taken as अभी हम बता पंचायत लेते हैं ना. Big cost is in having certain basic features. You know what is GPU?
A graphic processing unit, sir.
Unit.
Yes, sir.
So you know the big cost is basically in creating that kind of infrastructure with maybe required number of GPUs, with the required number of application logic, so that and the database, because you need to train the AI.
Yes, sir.
All the large language models are trained on a lot of information base.
Yes, sir.
Okay, recently, EU had developed some regulations for the service providers like Google and others, when they make available some services to the consumers, and also when they make available as they act as a marketplace for apps. Are you aware of those digital services and digital products act, market
Yes, sir.
act?
Yes, sir. Sir, as far as I remember, it came in 2020.
A couple of years ago.
Yes,
yeah.
sir.
So what are the provisions of these kind of acts? What are they supposed to achieve?
So the main objective of these kind of acts are to keep, for the regulator to keep pace with the major developments that are happening in this area, especially in the digital marketplace. On one hand, they want to protect the consumers, their right to privacy, right to internet, and right to overall access the services available. And at the same time ensure that those who are providing these services, and it's a very new industry and it's not stifled by the regulator, it's able to achieve heights. So
those who are the dominant players, they are not misusing their dominant
Yes,
positions.
sir.
So for example, if you buy an Apple phone, only certain apps you can buy from it.
Yes,
Others you can download and store, but the Apple apps you cannot even delete from your phone.
Yes, sir.
They are always so those kind of regulations. You worked in McKinsey.
Yes, sir.
What was, I mean, without taking names, I mean, we respect the privacy those your clients must be having. Some interesting project which you did?
Sir, I worked in 3 industries, one in banking, another in ports, and another one in mining sector, sir.
Okay. Okay, in banking, let me just ask you one thing. We see that the NPAs have come down
Yes, sir.
substantially. I mean, it is some lakh of crores of rupees
Yes,
by
sir.
which the NPAs have come down. So when the NPAs come down by such large numbers, where does the money come from?
Sir,
In the Indian context, you see in the Indian context, in last 4-5
Yes, sir.
years, the NPAs have come down by huge amount.
Yes, sir.
Where did the money come from?
Sir, it has happened due to multiple reasons. One would be we have initiated the concept of bad bank. That is helping. Then we have bank capitalization at times as well provided. Then, sir, one major reason why NPAs have come down is because the share of retail loans has increased as compared to corporate loans. And what we have observed in Indian context is that retail loan payers are much better at paying their loans back, sir. One of the reasons is that. And sir, we have IBC code as well.
So what happened because of, let me ask about 2 of these things.
Yes, sir.
One is, you said that capitalization.
Yes, sir.
So capitalization means infusion of more money.
Yes, sir.
How would it reduce the bad loan, NPA? It will remain where it was.
Sir, as I understand it, if banks have certain capital, they can possibly write off those NPAs and they go off their balance sheets, sir.
So that is the reason. That is the
Write-off.
real reason.
Okay, sir.
And the write-off takes place as a part of IBC process, which
Yes,
was
sir.
the I said we will take these 2 items.
Yes, sir.
The other item was IBC.
Yes, sir.
So when in the part of the IBC process, when the resolution takes place,
Yes, sir.
the banks take a haircut in which a part of,
Yes, sir.
okay.
Yes.
And my last set of questions to you, since you are in police, you see CRPC has come,
Yes, sir.
Bharatiya Nagrik Suraksha Sanhita.
Yes, sir.
Now, in that, are the provisions of police custody more stringent than the previous CRPC provision?
Sir, I wouldn't say more stringent, but I would say more based on a procedure, sir. For example, videography has been made compulsory during search and seizure provisions and custody, sir. All these provisions, sir, have made it more as per the law, sir. And when these things happen, it will help us to present a stronger case with stronger evidence, sir. For example, later in court.
Fair enough,
Yes,
that
sir.
is okay.
Yes, sir.
But there is a thing called police custody
Yes, sir.
as against the judicial custody.
Yes, sir.
So is it likely for people to get police custody for longer period?
Sir, as much as I remember, it has been increased from earlier 90 days to 180 days, sir.
No.
Okay, I'm sorry, sir. Then I must be remembering wrong.
It is not 180 days in any case. It is 60/90 days depending upon the case. But this is the total custody period. My question was about police custody, and that is a more involved answer. Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Aayushi, taking forward the conversation regarding the amendments introduced, can you give me your assessment about IPC and Evidence Act? CRPC we already discussed.
Yes, ma'am.
The changes which have been introduced, what do you think are the good ones? What do you think are, where we have left out something? There has been a discussion going on regarding certain aspects. So I just want to hear it from you. What is your assessment?
Ma'am, my assessment would be for certain crimes we have we have made it more stringent, and this would act as a deterrent effect. For example, in crimes against women, we have increased the punishment. For example, in a case of a sexual offense with a minor, there is a provision of death penalty as well. So this can act as a deterrent.
No, but wasn't it earlier?
Ma'am, as far as I remember, it was not there in the POCSO Act, or
Okay.
not so sure on that, ma'am.
Okay.
So, ma'am, it has been made much more stringent, so this can help there. And, ma'am, again, the procedural aspect, the Evidence Act aspect, we have made videographies and all these things compulsory.
Okay.
In the challenges aspect, ma'am, the bigger challenge is because all these three laws have been very old. Though time to time amendments have come, they have been very well entrenched in the criminal justice system. And the challenge going forward is about the implementation, because we have to train the entire police force, the entire system towards becoming more and more sensitive to what are the exact changes in these and how can they adapt to. So, ma'am, these I believe is the challenge going forward. However, ma'am, we are training our forces in that direction.
When I was talking about challenges, I was particularly referring to, some lacunas which are still there in the laws.
Okay, ma'am.
Like, for example, in the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita, the IPC thing, criticism it is being facing that it is not having gender neutral rape laws now. Are you aware of this dimension?
Yes, ma'am, it has been.
On what basis I'm saying this? That we are not having now gender neutral rape laws.
Sorry, ma'am, I'm not aware of the exact provision.
Okay.
But, ma'am, as I understand it, it's about in the society, as we are saying, even the male members can face sexual crimes against them, and
Right.
it is a demand.
So
from
when
the
you have struck down 377
yes, ma'am.
homosexuality,
Yes, ma'am.
it was covering other natural sex offences also. But
Yes,
now,
ma'am.
if a adult male is subjected to a rape, there's no provision for him or her to file up a case.
Yes, ma'am.
So that's one criticism.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Now you're fond of watching Hindi films and web series on social issues.
Yes.
Which movie you last watched?
Ma'am, 2-3 days ago I watched Donkey.
Okay, yeah, good topic. So tell me, why it is called as donkey route? From where the name came?
Ma'am, it's an illegal path of immigration that people take, and
Right.
donkey means donkey. Ma'am, I don't know the exact reason.
Okay, go and Google about it since you yourself mentioned the movie.
Yes.
So tell me why this illegal migration is happening, particularly from certain states. Recently, our plane was grounded. A UAE, it flew from UAE and it was bounded for Nicaragua, but it was grounded at France, and then it flew back to India, containing all of the illegal migrants only. So why this particular problem? You're a sociology student, particularly Punjab is in much news
Yes,
because of this illegal migration thing. Why? What are the reasons?
Ma'am, in these states, the society is composed of different sections and they have different reasons as well. For some, it's a source of a social mobility. They see in their society that those who go outside the country have a better life, so they aspire for that. For others, they do not find good employment in the country, so they see that moving out of the country is the only option, and they even take illegal methods to achieve the same. For some, ma'am, it's a form of anticipatory socialization or a form of I would say Sanskritization, where people seek to copy others who are moving and
Emulate the habits of
of others. Yes, ma'am.
There's one term which you missed in the first part, relative deprivation,
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
which is a major, because why Punjab people are doing it more, because they are very well settled since from the World War era.
Yes, ma'am.
So now when they see their counterparts. Anyways, let's talk about international relations. NATO, why it is in news recently?
Ma'am, NATO has been in news regarding the Russia-Ukraine war.
No, there was one statement by a former president, and then this whole issue was again in news. Are you aware?
And sorry.
Okay. Why Falkland Islands are in discussion right now?
Ma'am, I'm aware of the general issue between Britain and Argentina on their claims.
But not done
not
recent
yet.
one. Okay. What is FMR?
Ma'am, FMR refers to Free Movement Regime, which is on our northeastern border with Myanmar. According to it, people from both sides, due to ethnic affiliations and close ties, can move up to 16 kilometers on each side.
Now it is being scrapped.
Yes.
What is your opinion? Is it good? Is it a wise step?
Ma'am, if I see it from the security perspective, it is a good step. We are seeing a lot of illegal immigration coming from that side, and Myanmar itself is in a flux right now because due to Junta coup, there is a lot of internal tension and people migrate from there. and this can spill over to tensions in our country as well. So in that sense, it is a good step. However, ma'am, certain states like Mizoram and Nagaland have ethnic ties of the Zo community across the border, and they have mentioned that they want to be consulted and involved in the process. So, ma'am, that can be the forward. We should consult them, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. So,
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Ms. Bansal,
Yes.
recently our Honorable Prime Minister has said that police should work with data rather than danda.
Yes.
What are your views about it? How would you implement it as a district SP?
So that's a very important thing to do going forward in police. By danda we mean force. We should not be referred to as a force but as a service. And with the data aspect, sir, we must be incorporating a lot of technology in our implementation. And for me as a district superintendent of police, sir, I would take multiple steps to incorporate that. I would request agencies, I would request the help of agencies in the police to help our entire team become more efficient in the technologies which are already available, because it has been shown that we do have systems, for example CCTNS and so on, but their knowledge and implementation within the system might not be up to the mark. So we need to utilize those systems first, and at the same time, sir, we need to keep pace what are the evolving technologies. For example, artificial intelligence. There is also a lot of crime being committed through artificial intelligence, so we have to keep pace with that as well, sir.
Okay, good. Best wishes with that. Now, Ms. Bansal, tell me, no, I'm really hopeful that you will do it, but
Yes.
there's still, I have some of my doubts. These new criminal laws, one aspect that is there is that some of the provisions contain very, what should I say, impractical steps. For example, under the new CRPC, that is Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita, it says that there should be mandatory audio, video, visual recordings
Yes.
of any search and seizure.
Yes.
What kind of practical problems? I'm saying this is just an example. What kind of other practical problems have you seen? Have you gone through it, or are you aware about it?
Sir, I've not gone through it in detail, but the one example you mentioned that I've read, that our data cards would get filled up very soon in recording a small video itself.
So how would you address it?
So this specific problem.
Okay, let's start with this one only.
Sir, one possible solution is cloud storage, which we can utilize for keeping our data. Another one could be with the quality of the video, we can optimize the quality to reduce the data size it takes.
Okay, that is fair enough. My last question to you, Ms. Bansal,
Yes, sir.
and I really want you to come forth with it. That is, how police has a role in ensuring the development of a state.
Sir, police has a very crucial role in ensuring
Yes, please
development.
elaborate.
Sir, one is maintenance of law and order. If that is maintained, we have a lot of investment coming in the state. Sir, another crucial aspect is the investigation part. If we investigate a crime thoroughly and the prosecution and conviction happens on time, it generates a lot of trust in the society regarding the overall system, sir. And when people have trust in the governance, sir, they do respond. And when we have response from citizens, we have taxes, better taxes from them, better participation in the governance from the citizen side, and that ensures much better development, sir.
Could you give an example?
Sir, it's not specifically related to police, but a general example would be, sir, Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. When people saw that the system is working, they themselves participated in the campaign, and that's what led to its success, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Aayushi,
Yes.
what is the meaning of your name?
Sir, it means someone blessed with a long life.
So, would you like to be blessed with a long life?
Sir, I would like to be blessed with a healthy life and with a life that is able to contribute no matter how long it is, sir.
Meaningful life
Yes, sir.
over long life. So, you belong to Gwalior
Yes, sir.
and you studied in Uttar Pradesh.
Yes, sir.
So, Kanpur and Gwalior are a student of sociology.
Yes.
How different are they society-wise?
Sir, Kanpur is Sir, Kanpur society is more based on the past industry, sir. We are leather industry, we are textile industries in Kanpur. So its society is more inclined towards that. In Gwalior, sir, it's a very fast-paced urbanizing town with a lot of historicity associated with it. Another aspect would be its culture, sir. Ganga flows through Kanpur. So people have a culture associated around that river, sir. They have a lot of respect for it. And in Gwalior, sir, we have a very intermingling sort of a culture. It's in Madhya Pradesh, which is at the heart of the country, center of the country, sir. So we have a lot of people coming in from all the sides, and we have a vibrant culture in that sort, sir.
So you belong to Gwalior. What has been the contribution of Devi Ahilya Bai Holkar in the social upliftment of women?
So she had a very crucial role. Sir, she introduced a Maheshwari saris, especially and promoted their entrepreneurship through women, sir, which led to their upliftment. And even in the social front, sir, she worked a lot for the widows, for removing stigmatization around them, sir.
That's it?
So that's what I'm able to recall.
Okay. Her other major contributions?
Sir, sir, in the city, in and around Indore, sir, she worked on the building of a lot of architecture there, sir. Sir, another one is in the textile industries. And sir, as far as I remember, she built a lot of temples as well, sir.
Okay. Now, electrical engineering.
Yes, sir.
What do you understand by Lenz law?
Sir, sir, this law gives us the direction of the field, sir. I'm unable to recall if it's electric field or the magnetic field. We use our hand to understand in which direction the current rotates and which direction the magnetic field associated would be.
What does it tell?
Sir, it tells the direction of the electric field, sir.
So what will be the direction? Use your hand and show.
Sir, this way.
So?
Sir, if the current is rotating, if we look from top and if it is rotating anti-clockwise, the electric field would be upwards, sir.
Are you sure?
So this is what I remember.
If current is flowing like this, magnetic field would be like this.
Sorry, sir, magnetic field would be upward. Sorry, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, stage and street plays you like watching and performing.
Yes, sir.
Can you name 3 or 4 very legendary plays, street plays performed in India, or stage plays for that matter?
Yes.
Sir, we have multiple stage plays, sir. One of them is Andha Yug by Dharamveer Bharti, which is very famous.
Very good.
Sir, another famous playwright is Mohan Rakesh. His play Aadhe Adhure is very famous about household. Then, sir, Mr. Vijay Tendulkar, his Khamosh Adalat Jari Hai around women, sir. That is also very famous.
Tendulkar has written even more famous play than that. Vajiram Kotwal.
Vajiram. Yes, sir.
Okay. My last question.
Yes, sir.
What will you get as an IAS officer which you are not getting as an IPS officer?
Sir, the ultimate goal achieved by both the services would be the same, sir. The nation's peace and prosperity.
Then why are you appearing for it?
Sir, the only thing I'll achieve is fulfillment of my inclination and my interest, sir. I feel more interested in working in direct developmental projects, sir. Though I'm very happy and fortunate
you
and pride
talked
in.
about so many ways in which an IPS contributes
Yes,
to
sir.
development.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir, definitely.
That is not
sir.
direct?
Sir, IPS definitely contributes to the country's development, sir, via law and order and security. It's only, as we discussed, sir, it's the ultimate purpose and what they contribute is same, sir, for all the services. It's only how they do it is different, sir, and I want to do it that way.
Diversity.
That is one
IAS
aspect, ma'am.
diversity is one of the major key component.
Yes, ma'am.
That will be all.
Thank you, sir.
Good. So you, Aayushi, you please wait. We will consult and then give you a feedback.
Okay,
So
sir.
when is your interview?
2nd April, sir.
Okay, there is still a long time. And you are now in Hyderabad. Where are you?
Sir, I am staying at my home, Gwalior, sir. I have taken EOL.
EOL.
Okay,
And is the third phase now like slot out?
Yes, ma'am. 9th April is the last date.
9th April is the last date. And they are starting from when? From the March? Which month?
19th March, I think. 19th or
March
18th.
to 9th April.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you.
Today we got someone no, for 9th April, Gautam Thakur.
Yeah, I didn't notice that time.
Okay.
Thank you,
Please
sir.
wait.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir.